Let's continue creating our application. Now we start from model part. I create models for our tables. I create two separate Dart files for product category. It will have the attributes final int id and final string name, right? Const product category required this id and this name. According to it should be tables. According to this column, I am creating the model in this structure, right? Now I should create the factory also. What's the factory? Factory creates the constructor for our class which returns the same object. Look here, I create named product category dot from map. Whenever we get the map, it comes from database map. It returns product category like map id, map name. Something like that. Look, whenever in a map format, our data map format, we can convert it to the object like this. We can convert from object to map like this. Map string dynamic to map and return id will be id, name will be name, something like that. Look, I will copy this and I will create product Dart file, product.dart file, and paste here. I will replace product category to the product itself, so it will be id, name, what else? ID, name, description, image, price, product category ID. Oh, okay. I will ID, name, final string, description, image, and price. Price will be in double, right? Price. Then int product category ID, description, image, price, product category ID, description, image, price, product category ID, product category ID. We can do it like this: product category ID, and cool. Actually, we can use JSON serializable kinda package in order to generate these parts, but it's enough for now. ID, name, description, image, price, product category ID, description, image. Can we do the image nullable? It should not be required for us. Map image, map price, product category ID, product category ID. Cool. ID, name, description, image, price, category ID, description, image, price, product category ID, something like that. Well, we have created our model successfully. Now we should think to create our database part. We should create database helper. Here in the config I create database, and I can name it like local database, for instance, local DB or local database, I don't know. Okay, I create local database, something like that. So I go to the pub.dev again, I go to the documentation of sqflite and how it's created. First we should open database or close database, get database path. Let's do this. Here the examples you can see. Not helpful so much. Okay, just import sqflite. Then I write I will create database static database, can be nullable database here, and future database I will create a getter for database. It will be async. So if our database is not equal to null, it return database, else await. We should open the database, the database initialize and return this database. Okay, future database, we'll call it init database. It will be async. String path, as you can see here, string path. I will copy this part I need. Databases path, get databases path, join. We need the path package also, you know, path package you should install. As you can see, it should be added in the dependencies part. I have run pubget. The path package provides common operations for manipulating path, joining, splitting, normalizing, and etc. You know. Now here sqflite is asking to join database path DemoDB. Now in join I import. Now that's working right now. Now return await. Here open database, await open database. This will be okay. as you can see, open database. Whenever database is opening, while creating, all our tables should be created. Now whenever we write this creating logic here, it will be little bit messed up. So I create separate method for this, on create method, on create, and here I write here future on create. It will store what kind of stuff it can store. Dynamic database, no, here in open database, on create database and int, it's asking. It's a kind of version, right? Database db and int version, something like that. Yes, on create. Cool, that's cool. So what we'll do, it will be async. Here we write await here db dot execute. Execute means executing the SQL codes. We should write SQL codes to create our tables here. Well, now I will write code like this: create table create table product categories. We can do like this for multi-line. Product categories, and write our code like ID will be integer, and it's a primary key auto increment. Name will be varchar, something like that. And the next one, create table products. ID, name, description will be text. Description will be text. Image will be text. Nullable I write, and price, really it's a double. We create the orders table, execute the tables table, stocks table later. So we have created this. Now it will be like this. Cool. Local database also created. Let's add this static local database instance, which returns local database dot private constructor. Now here local database dot private constructor we create. It helps us to create the instance without creating the separate object. So now what I do here is, here in the repositories part, I create product repository, impl product repo, impl product repo. Here in the domain repositories, I create Dart file product repo. It will be abstract class product repo. It will be the future, for instance, get products, for instance, future get products, or insert product, insert product. Here the product will go. Something like that. And impl section, I create class impl product repo extends product repo, and it overrides these two. Okay, get products and this. Here I create final local database equal local database dot instance. Well, and in the get products, for instance, it will be async. We'll write something like that. Database db will be local database dot database, right? Wait, local database dot database. We can make this private for encapsulation purpose, and here we can do map string dynamic list products will be await db.query products. db.query products meaning get all the data from the products, right? And it returns products.map product.map. Here the element product element, right, will be returned like product, oh my god, product.from map product element, then it will be to list, something like that. Get products works like this. Cool, that's cool. How we can insert the product here? It will also have local database async. Cool. How we can insert? Await local database db.insert db.insert in the table the path products, table products, in the value values will be product to map. Okay, cool. We can return this. It return future int, it return future list of products. Now I will copy this product categories. It will be the same product categories. It will be product categories. Well, product categories dot map product category dot from map product category. Cool. Insert product category. Here product category. To map. Something like that. Now in product repo, product category method will add and get product categories. Get product categories. Product category. It will return int. It's also int, and it's the list of product. That's it. List of product is not valid right now. Product get product categories. That's right now. Cool, we have created our repositories also. Now we should call it, right? We should call it. How can we call it? In the app main screen, now for testing purpose, I just in the button floating action button here, I the floating action button on preset, and here child will be icons dot sync, for instance. Now it become like this. Now I will call product repo impl product repo, and I just call product repo dot get products in the print. Cool. I just restart. It's already restarted. I click this sync. Instance of what happened here. Cool. Instance of future list product. Near auto increment we have syntax error in create table. We should find it in the local database section. Auto increment primary key. I think I should remove this auto increment. Can restart. Just click. What happened? Near syntax error. Oh my god, this part, comma is left. Restart. Just click instance of future list product. Nothing happened, errors left. Now I'll try to enter something as a product. For instance, here product repo, insert product. It will be new product, right? If it's new, we should not provide ID here. ID should be like this. ID should not be required. Name, for instance, just water. Water, the liquid description. Price, how is the price? $1.2, for instance. In product category ID 1, for instance. I have not done product category ID as a foreign key, that's why I can now mention product category ID with any number. I can test with any number. Now I click. Now we check. Table products has no column named product category ID. Table products has no column. Oh my god, why this happened? Why this happened? In the local database, yeah, we have not product category ID column added. We have not added yet. Integer. Why this happened? Because it's already created. On create is already created. We should remove the database. We should remove the database. How we can remove it? Using sqflite. How we can remove? Open database. Just delete the database like this. Just deleting the database. The local database part. Where is the path? Get databases path. It will be like this, or how? And now delete database. Something like that. Delete database. It removes, right? Now what I do? I get this in the app main screen. I build a row here in a floating action button. Trash. Just the trash. We do like this: local database and local database dot oh no, delete database. We don't need the path here. We don't need the path here. That's it. Cool. Now I delete and I click this instance of future list product. Instance of future list product, it's showing. Again I click instance of future list product. We do like this. Final products await, and we show the products async. Now I click instance of product, instance of product. Oh my god. Products dot for each element print element dot name. That's it. I remove insert product part, just click it. As you can see, water. Cool, that's cool, it's working. The data is coming and we have easily inserted the element.